Are you feeling tired or dizzy today? If your answer is yes, your blood sugar levels might be fluctuating. But don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide are searching for ways to manage diabetes without relying on medication. The good news? There is a natural, safe, and effective way, and it all starts with what you eat every day. The human body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but only when we nourish and protect it properly. The foods I'm about to share with you can help reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and even restore pancreatic function naturally. Are you ready to uncover this secret? And if you want to take it a step further, not just control diabetes but also enhance overall health, take a moment to explore Qigong. This powerful practice helps balance the body, boost energy, and improve blood circulation. For your health, don't miss out. 1. Sarah's story. How she broke free from diabetes. Have you ever imagined a life without insulin shots? Without worrying about complications, and with abundant energy every day? That's exactly what Sarah experienced. But her journey wasn't easy. It started with a frightening reality that many people with type 2 diabetes face. 3 years ago, Sarah received a shocking diagnosis: type 2 diabetes with dangerously high blood sugar levels. Her doctor warned her that if she didn't take control immediately, she would soon face severe complications like heart disease, kidney failure, or even vision loss. Prescription drugs, insulin, and constant medical checkups became part of her daily life. But the worst part? The feeling of helplessness, despite following all medical advice. Her condition wasn't improving. Tired of relying on medication for life, Sarah decided to take matters into her own hands. She began researching natural diabetes management methods and discovered something crucial: diet can change everything. What she ate daily not only impacted her blood sugar but also determined her body's ability to heal itself. Sarah found out that toxin accumulation in the body was one of the main causes of insulin resistance and worsening diabetes. She made a radical change, eliminating processed foods, refined sugars, and starches while adding superfoods that detoxify and restore the pancreas. She started drinking green tea every morning and eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale to enhance detoxification. Every day, she incorporated flax seeds and chia seeds, rich in fiber, to balance blood sugar. Sarah also included garlic, turmeric, and onions, powerful anti-inflammatory foods that improve insulin sensitivity. After just 3 months, she noticed drastic changes. Her blood sugar stabilized without medication. She no longer felt fatigued or dizzy after meals. Her energy levels skyrocketed, and her sleep improved significantly. After 6 months, Sarah was completely off diabetes medication. Her medical tests confirmed that her A1C had returned to normal levels. She was no longer diabetic. Sarah's story isn't unique. Every day, thousands of people worldwide are managing their diabetes naturally through diet and lifestyle changes rather than medication. And the best part? You can do it too. 2. Why detoxification matters. Did you know that toxin buildup in the body can make diabetes worse? These toxins don't just come from processed foods, they're also in polluted air, cosmetics, and even your daily drinking water. Over time, they accumulate, damaging pancreatic cells, reducing insulin production, and making it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar. When toxic overload becomes too much, the body enters a state of chronic inflammation, increasing insulin resistance and keeping blood sugar levels high. This is why some people struggle to control diabetes despite dieting and taking medication. But here's the good news. You can reverse this condition by eliminating toxins and incorporating natural detox supporting foods like cruciferous vegetables, flax seeds, turmeric, and green tea. You can help your pancreas recover, enhance insulin sensitivity, and stabilize blood sugar naturally. Your body has the power to heal itself if you support it the right way. 3. Superfoods that help reverse diabetes. 1. Fermented foods. The key to blood sugar balance. If you think controlling diabetes is just about cutting carbs and sugar, you're missing a crucial factor: your gut microbiome. Your gut doesn't just digest food, it plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar and insulin response. Studies show that an imbalanced gut microbiome can increase insulin resistance, cause chronic inflammation, and make blood sugar harder to control. This is why many people with type 2 diabetes also experience digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Fortunately, fermented foods can help. Foods like kimchi, unsweetened yogurt, sauerkraut, and probiotics provide billions of beneficial bacteria that restore gut balance. When your gut is healthy, inflammation decreases, nutrient absorption improves, and blood sugar stabilizes. Additionally, specific probiotics found in fermented foods, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, have been proven to enhance insulin sensitivity and support pancreatic function. This means your body can regulate blood sugar naturally, without excessive reliance on medication. Small diamond tip: add fermented foods to your daily diet, but choose options without added sugar or artificial preservatives for maximum benefits. 2. Green tea and dark chocolate, two natural diabetes fighters. Have you ever thought that a cup of green tea or a piece of dark chocolate could help control blood sugar? This isn't just a theory, it's backed by science. Both are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Two crucial factors in diabetes management. Green tea contains catechins, compounds that lower oxidative stress and enhance insulin function. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who regularly drink green tea have a 33% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Plus, green tea supports weight loss, which is essential for diabetes control. Meanwhile, dark chocolate, 85% cacao or higher, is loaded with flavonoids that reduce insulin resistance and improve blood circulation. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition revealed that people who consume dark chocolate regularly have better insulin sensitivity and lower chronic inflammation. However, only high cacao dark chocolate provides these benefits. Sugary chocolate will spike blood sugar instead. Small diamond tip: make a habit of drinking 1 cup of green tea daily and enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate after meals. It's not just delicious, it's diabetes friendly. 3. Flax seeds and chia seeds, tiny but powerful for diabetes. If you often feel hungry, tired, or sluggish after meals, the problem might be too many carbs in your diet. When you consume excessive sugar or starch, blood sugar spikes rapidly, then crashes, leaving you exhausted. But there's a simple way to stabilize blood sugar and stay full longer. Add flax seeds and chia seeds to your diet. Both of these super seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that just 30 grams of flax seeds daily significantly reduces post-meal blood sugar levels. Additionally, chia and flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and enhance insulin sensitivity. Many diabetes patients report that after just a few weeks of adding flax seeds and chia seeds to their breakfasts, they experience fewer sugar cravings, less dizziness after eating, and more stable blood sugar levels. You can sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal. Small diamond tip: small changes can lead to big results. Try this today and see the difference in your body. By making simple yet effective changes to your diet, you can control diabetes naturally and reduce reliance on medication. Your body is capable of healing. Give it the right tools, and it will reward you with better health and more energy than ever before. 4. Cruciferous vegetables, the key to pancreatic detox and recovery. When it comes to detoxifying the body and improving pancreatic function, no food group is more powerful than cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, cabbage, and cauliflower contain a special compound called sulforaphane, which helps the pancreas detoxify, reduces inflammation, and increases insulin sensitivity. Dr. Joel Fuhrman, a world-renowned nutrition expert and author of The End of Diabetes, emphasized, sulforaphane in broccoli not only aids in detoxification but also supports pancreatic recovery, helping diabetics manage blood sugar levels without relying on medication. A study published in Science Translational Medicine also found that sulforaphane can lower blood sugar levels by up to 10% in type 2 diabetes patients by reducing glucose production in the liver and improving insulin efficiency. This means that simply adding cruciferous vegetables to your daily diet can naturally enhance pancreatic function. Some diabetes patients who tested this method reported that after just 6 weeks of eating broccoli regularly, They felt less fatigued, experienced fewer hunger cravings, and had more stable blood sugar levels. Try stir-frying broccoli with garlic, making a kale salad, or adding cauliflower to your meals. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to support your body's natural healing. 5. Pomegranate juice and berries, natural pancreatic support for lower blood sugar. If you think all fruits spike blood sugar, you'll be surprised to learn that pomegranates and berries can actually help control diabetes. Pomegranates contain ellagic acid and resveratrol, two powerful compounds that reduce oxidative stress and support pancreatic function. Meanwhile, berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries have a low glycemic index, GI 25-40, and contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to boost insulin sensitivity by up to 23%. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who consumed pomegranate juice daily for 12 weeks reduced their fasting blood sugar levels from an average of 190 mg per deciliter to 160 mg per deciliter. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that eating 150 grams of berries daily helps reduce inflammation and improves blood sugar control more effectively than other fruits. Try drinking pure pomegranate juice in the morning or adding berries to unsweetened yogurt. Not only will this help regulate blood sugar, but it also provides a delicious and nutritious way to improve overall health. 6. Turmeric, garlic, and onions, the powerful anti-inflammatory trio for blood sugar control. As a diabetes expert, I've studied hundreds of patient cases, and one core issue keeps appearing: chronic inflammation. When the body is inflamed, insulin sensitivity decreases, blood sugar levels rise, and the pancreas becomes overworked. But the good news is that turmeric, garlic, and onions can naturally and effectively fight inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect pancreatic cells. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that people who consumed 1.5 grams of curcumin daily for 9 months had a 67% lower risk of developing diabetes than those who didn't. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that lowers fasting blood sugar levels and supports pancreatic function. Research in food and chemical toxicology found that garlic consumption reduces blood sugar by 20 to 30 milligrams per deciliter after just 4 weeks. Onions, especially red onions, are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, improves blood circulation, and enhances insulin sensitivity. A British Journal of Nutrition study found that regular onion consumption can reduce insulin resistance by up to 25%. How to use them? Add turmeric to tea, cook soups with garlic, and use onions in daily meals. Even small dietary adjustments can create a huge impact on blood sugar control. 7. Supplements, supporting the pancreas and enhancing blood sugar control. Alongside a healthy diet, certain supplements can help improve pancreatic function and insulin sensitivity. When used correctly, they support detoxification and naturally reduce diabetes complications. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and improve lipid metabolism. A study in diabetes and metabolic syndrome found that diabetes patients who regularly consumed omega-3 had a 0.5% decrease in HbA1c levels after 12 weeks. Milk thistle, silymarin. This plant-based compound supports liver detoxification and blood sugar regulation. Research published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that taking 200 milligrams of silymarin daily significantly reduced fasting blood sugar in type 2 diabetes patients. Supplements aren't a magic cure, but when combined with the right diet, they enhance blood sugar control and support the body's natural recovery. Incorporate them wisely for optimal results. Final message: managing diabetes without medication. Diabetes is not a life sentence. Thousands of people worldwide have reversed their condition and reclaimed their health simply by changing their diet. Instead of relying entirely on medication, they chose a healthier lifestyle focused on foods that stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and restore pancreatic function. If you're tired of daily insulin shots or worried about complications, remember, you have control over your health. What you eat today will determine your blood sugar levels tomorrow. By making the right food choices, limiting carbs, sugars, and processed foods, you can reduce insulin resistance, stabilize blood sugar, and feel more energized. This isn't just a theory, it's a proven reality. If you want to learn more about the best foods for diabetes control, stay tuned for more informative videos to help you take action today.